Hi, my name's David Olsen. I'm a project engineer here at CODA. The last 3-4 months we've achieved 2 major milestones on the project. The first one being the completion of the foundation piles, 153 piles installed. The piling process sets the foundations for the building. It also allows us then to prepare for the next stages with the pile caps, ground slabs and start building the superstructure above. The second milestone has been the installation of our tower crane, which you can probably see behind me here. Today we're just demobilising the piling rig after finishing the foundation piles, as well as commencing the in-ground services, which will take the next few weeks, preparing for our ground slabs to start over the coming months.
We really believe in building bonds and having good long-term relationships. Any project we're involved in where everyone works as a team, the client, the builder, our subcontractors, all the stakeholders, it's always a better outcome. Use local contractors wherever possible. We always try to go local first to help assist in getting the work done.
So CODA is a 13-storey residential building, which also has ground floor retail, 4 levels of parking, as well as 95 residential units on top of all that. It's a very significant project for Coffs Harbour and I believe the mid-north coast as well, setting a new bar of residential apartments, and it will bring a lot of life back to this Coffs Harbour central business district.